Hey, stop for Pontoons. We just brought in this 2013 Sweetwater. This is a kind of a fishing cruise. This is a rental boat. This one's in great shape, except the one thing that every boat needs is vinyl flooring. If you take a peek, they have this heavier weight carpet, but over years of use and renters spilling and everything else, there's stains. For the long term, a better look, less maintenance. We're going with the tan vinyl weave flooring. This is an 8.5 foot wide boat by about 22 foot long. So we're gonna tear everything off, put that new wood and vinyl, even though it's only a 9-year-old boat. When we're doing it, we're gonna start fresh with new marine grade plywood. That way we know when we glue the new vinyl down, we're gluing to fresh wood, we're gonna get good adhesion. And now the boat's good to go for another 10, 20 plus years, knowing that we have new plywood. Let's take a look at the inside, show you the flooring so you can see what it's gonna look like after compared to right now. River's all upset. He's bossing Marty around. Marty's going underneath, undoing some hardware. We've got the seats starting to come apart. Seat bases are unscrewed. Disassembled the live well in this seat. Taking this back kind of compartment. There's a whole bunch of fuel related stuff, vents, fills, everything down there. And I'm gonna get to work on the console and undoing everything. So we always unhook everything. We'll drop all of the stuff that needs to go down through the floor. We'll drop all that down, and then the stuff that stays with the console will come off the boat with the console. This is the finished 2013 8.5 wide. The deck ended up being 20 feet long, so make sure you make those measurements, the length and the width of your deck, to make sure you order the right kit. Pretty simple project. We take everything off, we put new deck and vinyl on. This is the tan woven, so if you get a quick look at that. Walking through this boat now, it's gonna be nice and soft on your feet. There's a cushion to it. It's gonna clean super easy. Remember, this is a rental boat, so each time after a rental, hose it down. You don't have to vacuum, power wash, anything like that. Just hose it down and away you go. The other thing we did add were the wide radius corner caps. Theirs were all beat up, so we're able to work in the wide radius cast corner cap. It's gonna be a nice heavy duty aluminum add on that. We'll take a quick walkthrough of the finished product, show you how it turned out.